What is going on YouTube? Today we have a quick 2-minute install. We got some dress-up parts for our car. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys and show you what we got. So we've got some parts over here from PRL. We have this nice battery tie down made for the Accord and for the Civic 10th gens, as well as a oil cap. And now we have the Chasing J's titanium spark plug cover. Looking at this finish, this is really nice and it'll go well with the inlet pipe. Alright, coming over to the engine bay, nothing really too complicated to do. All you gotta do is take off this oil cap here. And as a disclaimer, when you take off this oil cap and transfer it over, there should be a O-ring on here that you'll also need to transfer over to the PRL one. Let's go ahead and do that in a bit. And then you'll just need a 10mm to take off this bolt here and then this one as well. First time taking this one off, you're gonna have to yank this a bit. It's gonna be stuck on pretty decently, but once you yank this off, set it to the side and you'll have access to your 10mm there. All right, so for the oil gasket, what you're gonna do is take a pick here and kind of get it underneath this part here and pry up. And a gasket will come out like that. And then what you do is you take your new oil cap, you grab it real quick, grab the new oil cap, you'll see there's a groove for that gasket, and you just slide it over. This is not directional, so either way should be fine, but just slide it over like this and press it in like so. All right, so here we go, simple as that. Oil cap goes back on and the PRL logo faces up like that. Next up, let's get the battery tie down removed. All right, so this one's also pretty straightforward. You take a extended long socket 10mm and take the battery tie down off. And when you take it off, just make careful note to not drop this down. Just grab it out and set it aside with the 10mm bolt, and repeat it for the other side as well. Tie down here with the logo facing forward. It fits on there real snug like that. Go ahead and grab your hooks and stick them back into the battery tray. Alright, so hopefully this is easy to see, but the little hooks go into the tray. Let's see, right there, that tray right there. Get that in focus for you guys. And same thing for the other side. There's a little hook right there, and then once you hook it in, just start these 10mm by hand and then tighten them down evenly. Yeah, once you're done, this will be the final product. This cap doesn't really go back on, but you can just kind of leave it on there like that. And that's the oil cap. First thing we're gonna obviously be doing is taking off the existing engine cover. For this Type R one on the Hondas, they are held on by 4 10mm right here. All right, and once you've got these off, you'll be mounting it in the same locations here. And in the kit, it has spacers provided, so let's go ahead and get those spacers on. So this is what's in the package. You'll have these 4 spacers here and 4 washers, as well as 4 bolts, and the sticker here that you can place on the engine cover. So just doing a quick mock-up, you know, this will sit down a little something like this. And what you're gonna do is put hardware through here, 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 and here. In the spacers, you have a black one, 2 short ones, and a long one. The long one goes in the back over here. The 2 short ones will go over here, and this black one will go underneath this bolt here that I also need to remove. So let's go ahead and remove that bolt as well. So let's go ahead and place our spacers down. So you have one white one that goes here, long one that goes here, another short one that goes over here, and the black one that will go on top of here. So yeah, black spacer goes here, white spacer goes here and up here, and the long spacer goes up over here. And this is the top-down view. So let's go ahead and lay the titanium cover on gently. It'll look a little something like that. And in here you will have a short, 2 medium, and 1 long. Chasing Jace has also supplied some clear washers in here with the spacer kit. Clear washers in here. Put them in with the washers and just hand thread them in like so, and repeat for the other two. The medium ones go here and the short ones go on the bottom left. Once you guys have that started by hand, come back with your 4.5 mil Allen head and start tightening this down in a cross pattern. Alright, so before applying our badge, just wipe this area down here with a bit of isopropyl alcohol so you have a good surface for it to stick on. And here is the badge here. This is the badge. Double-sided tape on the back. Just go ahead and peel that off. And stick it right here. Here's the final product. Got the titanium cover and titanium inlet. That helps break up the red from the oil cap and the battery tie down from that engine cover. If you guys found that video enjoyable, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. It was a pretty simple 8-minute video to dress up the engine bay a little bit, you know, break up some of the red, make it look nice and pretty. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at QMedia, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.